Oliver, I did not see any overnight export sales announced by USDA. Everything quiet on that front. What's making the markets move today?
Well, corn is just kind of a stick in the mud to start the week. We started the overnight session with a little bit of a boost, which is nice to see. There was some spillover momentum on the back of soybeans, and a lot of that on the weather that we saw over the weekend and raising some concerns there. But wheat kind of falling apart here, and I think that's starting to kind of minimize the gains that we saw in corn earlier as well. Now, looking at corn on the intermediate time frame, I do continue to believe that there's pretty good potential here. We've been relatively sideways here for the better part of the last 2 months. Funds, as of Friday's commitment to traders report, are short about 214,000 contracts, which is significant at any time of the year, but especially this time of year where there's still a lot of questions and uncertainty looming over the market. If we were to get a shift in demand to the positive side or a bigger weather concern, that could potentially spark a bigger short covering rally. 320 to 325 has been a brick wall for July futures, but if we can achieve consecutive closes out above there, I think that could spark something a little bit better and accelerate the market higher.
So right now we're just under that 320 mark on the nearby corn futures, and that is an excellent point you bring up. I think recently we have been as high as maybe about 323, and that has been about the extent of it. On the Chicago wheat market, we are lower by 5 3/4 cents at 494 3/4, make it 494 1/2 now. In the Kansas City market, we now have July trading 5 3/4 lower there at 446 1/2. Spring wheat trade on the Minneapolis market, we have July trading 1 1/4 lower at 505 on the low of the day as we look at it right now. Wanted to also take a look at our canola market here this morning and see what's going on there. Nothing trading so far, according to this particular table. Everything quiet there. On the cotton market at this point, we do have the nearby July turning lower by 45 points at 57.80 per pound at the present time. We'll come back and talk more with Oliver Sloup. We'll talk about our livestock trade and what's going on there when we come back.